In LabArchives Scheduler, a schedule is a way to group resources in an organization that are available for reserving during the same window of time. Schedules can be used to split an organization up and can be any grouping of resources. An example of having multiple schedules under one organization would be a building that has multiple floors. That organization covers the whole building, and each floor is a different schedule. Why would each floor be its own schedule? In this example, the building can be open from 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. However, some resources on a specific floor are only available to use between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Another example of this would be one campus as the organization, and each individual building on that campus is its own schedule. Note that only application admins and resource admins can create and edit schedules. To create a schedule, click Application Management, then select Schedules. As a new application admin, you will be brought to a default schedule. This schedule will have reservable time slots from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can choose to edit this schedule or create a new one. To create a new schedule, click this Add Schedule button. This Add Schedule window will pop up where you can specify the name of the schedule, choose the start day for this schedule, and the number of days that this schedule is visible. So for example, if your lab is open every day of the week, you may want to consider a 7-day schedule. If your lab is closed on weekends, consider a 5-day schedule. The Use the Same Layout As option lets you select the same layout as a previously made schedule. When you are finished adding the specifics for this schedule, click Add. This schedule is now added to your list of schedules. You can also modify the settings for your schedule. You can edit the start day or the number of days. You can specify a schedule administrator. You can set limits on how many resources can be reserved concurrently, which allows you to control the number of people in a location with multiple resources, or limit the number of resources per reservation. You can choose the default style between standard, wide, tall, or weak. And you can choose to make this specific schedule the default schedule for your organization. You can delete this schedule. Just remember though, you cannot delete the default schedule. You can also allow this schedule to be public. This will allow users at your site to check on availability of resources before logging into Scheduler. Here on the right column, you can configure the schedule's layout. Here is where you can set reservable time slots and block time slots when the resources are unavailable. Click the pencil icon and this window will open where you can change the layout. You can set the reservable and block time slots. You can set the time zone and the duration of each slot for a given schedule. For more information on LabArchives Scheduler, please check out our knowledge base by clicking the eye icon and selecting Knowledge Base. You can also reach out to us at support@labarchives.com. To subscribe to our videos, click the LabArchives logo on the left. For additional training videos, click on the link to the right.